Turning 30 can feel like a wake-up call for many people. Suddenly, you realize that time is moving faster than you imagined, and if you haven't built significant wealth yet, the pressure can feel intense. But here's the good news. Starting in your 30s doesn't mean it is too late to become a millionaire. In fact, with the right strategy, discipline, and mindset, you can absolutely achieve it. And today, we're going to break down how to become a millionaire starting in your 30s step by step with practical strategies you can apply immediately. The first and most important step is to take control of your finances. I know, this might sound obvious, but so many people ignore it. You need a clear understanding of your income, expenses, debts, and savings. So track every dollar and know exactly where your money is going, because you cannot build wealth if you don't control it first. And once you have a complete picture, start eliminating high-interest debt. Credit card debt, payday loans, and any other expensive borrowing will kill your ability to invest and grow your net worth. Step 2. Invest consistently. Time is your most valuable asset, even if you think you're starting late. One of the most powerful tools for wealth building is compound interest. So, whether it is through index funds or stocks, investing consistently, even small amounts, can grow exponentially over the years. The key is to start now and continue regularly without trying to time the market or chase every hot trend. Remember, discipline beats luck over the long term. Step 3. Increase your income aggressively. Saving alone won't get you to millionaire status fast enough if your income is stagnant. So, look for ways to grow your career, ask for raises, switch jobs for better pay, or develop additional income streams. And this could mean starting a side business, freelancing, or creating a digital product. The more you can earn and invest, the faster your net worth will grow. Remember, wealth is built by both increasing your income and managing your expenses wisely. So, just do it. Step 4. Leverage assets that appreciate. Real estate, stocks, or even certain businesses can increase in value over time. So the key is not just working for money, but putting your money to work for you. For example, investing in a rental property can generate monthly cash flow while building equity. And in stocks or index funds compound wealth silently over the years. Even small investments in appreciating assets now can make a massive difference in your 30s or 40s. Step 5. Focus on your mindset and habits. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about numbers, it is about discipline, patience, and consistency. So avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, don't automatically spend more. Build the habit of saving and investing first, and then enjoying the rest. And read books, learn from successful investors, and surround yourself with people who share your goals. Your environment and mindset play a huge role in your ability to achieve your financial freedom. Finally, remember that starting in your 30s actually has advantages. You have more life experience, a better understanding of money, and often more emotional discipline than you did in your 20s. So use that to your advantage. Create a plan, stick to it, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are part of the journey.